Welcome to day 9 of our 30 days of practical AI journey. Today we're talking about resumes. They can feel like a super duper drag, right? All the tinkering, the formatting, the customization, it can be a lot. Today, we are going to change that. I'm going to show you exactly how to let AI personalize your resume perfectly for every role that you apply for, and we're using our same format that we started with yesterday to take the keyword analysis for the applicant tracking system, the company analysis that we performed, and the hiring manager's most likely challenges paired with our existing resume to make a badass, bulletproof, future-proof style resume that recruiters and hiring managers are going to love. This is one of my most requested AI features in every way, and I'm stoked to show you how it works. I am Kamo. Let's get you future-proof. Quick reminder, if you have not watched the series intro video, I highly recommend you start with that. Please go back and watch it. It'll set the scene for you in a really great way. As always, we are going to start thinking about what it would take for a human to perform this task. And today, it's not super complicated. If you wanted to actually build a resume, what would a resume coach need? What would someone who is going to help you write a resume need? Well, they need your current resume. No matter how good or bad it is, they need that thing. They also need to know, what is the entirety of your accomplishments? Maybe you have 5 different versions of a resume, but what's the place or the thing that contains all the bullet points for every job you've ever had and all the details of those jobs? Lastly, what's the applicant tracking system, the job description information that you have, the challenges that you've identified with the manager? Hey, guess what? We did all that yesterday. That's super easy today. And then, what makes a good resume? Ooh, man, that is an emotional question to ask anybody. Everybody's got an opinion about what makes a good resume. Today, hey, you're here, you're gonna get my opinion on it, and we're gonna run through what that really means. So again, if we look at this through the flow and the steps, you've got a prompt, and we're gonna give it a job description, the analysis of that job description, your resume, and then the hiring manager challenges that we computed and the company information from the day before, okay? That is all gonna be dumped together, and that's gonna give us a specific focus. Now, when we focus on the resume, I'm gonna specifically ask it in the prompt today, what is most directly related from my resume to the job? What things should I talk about to impress the hiring manager? How do I identify gaps or concerns that I want to make sure I address in my resume? Or, it's a resume, embellish a little bit maybe. And then what unique value proposition should I emphasize to make my resume stand out, okay? And the bullet format that I'm gonna have it build for you, and you can go look, there's links out there on the internet, but this works really well. As someone who's hired hundreds and hundreds of people, I personally love this format as well, but we want action, result, and impact, okay? What did you do and how? And what is the quantifiable outcome and the quantifiable significance? I look for numbers. I want you to have numbers. Even if those numbers are somewhat made up, it tells me that you actually cared enough to put a metric in there, meaning you probably measured something, which is great, okay? So we're gonna make sure that you have active language and that you follow this action, result, impact format. And then RG-COA, let's talk about how we're gonna prompt today. First, the role, be a strategic resume optimization expert. You're gonna be a resume coach. What's the goal? Transform my resume to specifically target this position, this job description, this company that I'm giving you. And we're gonna give it all that stuff, the resume, the JD, the company, the manager info, all that stuff that we did earlier and we did yesterday. And we're gonna have it provide us a completely rewritten and optimized resume. Now look, it's not gonna generate you a beautiful looking Google Doc or Word doc like you have and that you're uploading as the PDF, but it will give you all the text to go back and really easily and quickly copy paste that stuff in, okay? And as always, ask it for help on what you can do. So let's go and take a look at what this prompt's gonna look like. So again, we're gonna have it be the strategic resume optimization expert with expertise in applicant tracking systems and hiring psychology. We're telling it to get psychological. It's telling it to be social engineering on here. We're gonna follow and specialize in that action, result, impact format, okay? If you don't wanna use that format, you can change it. It's cool, the prompt's yours. Go get it. Links are down below. And then the goal, transform my resume to specifically target this position. I'm gonna give you my resume, the job description, the company profile, the ATS keyword analysis, and the hiring manager challenges. All 5 of those documents, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're gonna upload those. And then again, I want you to rewrite my stuff and make it better, okay? That's all we're gonna do. So I'm grabbing all this real fast. No customization necessary today. And before we begin though, I do wanna show you something. So here is the job description that we talked about yesterday, but I wanna show it to you. This is the program manager for data governance, okay? Based out of Chicago, whatever. But it's got in here qualifications, about the job, what are the responsibilities that you're gonna do, all those kinds of things. And then I've created a fake resume for a person named Thomas Anderson, who's a project manager who's worked in banks his whole career, okay? And again, I had AI generate this and I specifically told it, don't make it a great resume, just make it kind of vague with the numbers. Notice there's not a single metric or number in this entire resume, which is exactly what I'm going for here because I want it to be transformative in a bunch of ways. And then we've got the company analysis document that we did yesterday. We've also got the job description ATS analysis that we did yesterday and the hiring manager challenges that we came up with yesterday. Those are the documents that we are about to upload, okay? So let's open a new temporary chat, and I'm just gonna paste in that exact prompt that I copied, and we're gonna add our files today. Now, we are going to 30 Days of AI. We are going to add the job description analysis, the company analysis, the hiring manager's challenges, the job description, and the fake resume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put all those documents in there. It's going to take a couple seconds to upload, and we're going to click go. And what it's going to do is it's going to grab the resume. It's going to start thinking. This is real time, everybody. I'm not speeding anything up through the power of the internet. And it's analyzing a lot of information that we just gave it. It's thinking about how all those are going to interact. And again, I'm using ChatGPT 4.0 right now. It's not even the latest model as of this writing, but it tends to be a little faster. So as you can see, here we go. It's starting to get resume experience summary, and it's giving a structured summary of your professional experience. Next, it's going to rewrite each bullet in the format. It's going to tailor the achievements, and it's going to ensure the experience directly addresses those key qualifications specifically in finance governance. So now it says, are we good to go? It's like, next up. Yep. Please proceed. And now we wait. And what it's going to do, again, is now it's validated with us what it's going to do. It created the basic summary. Now it's analyzing all this. I'm going to speed this up to the power of the internet. And we're back. Check it out. It's gone through and done all this. This took about a minute, so I didn't want to have you sit through all that, but not super long when you're thinking about how much work it's actually doing behind the scenes. And here we go. Fully optimized resume, professional summary, core skills, experience, you name it. And it's rewritten all these. And look, numbers. Did it make this up because, of course, you didn't have enough information in the source resume? Yes, this is where you need to be in the loop. You are the human in the loop. You need to supervise this. Make sure you're not blatantly lying on your resume. That's a really bad thing to do. Please don't do that as a hiring manager, as a person who's hunting for jobs. Just don't do that. But it's coming down. It's given every single thing that we need. Gives before and after examples so you can see exactly the type of work that it did. It explains why it optimized, and now you're good to go. And it even says, hey, would you like this as a Word or PDF document so that you can just download it right away? Pretty awesome if you ask me. So we've done a lot in the last couple seconds. We've done a lot to increase the chances that your resume gets seen by human eyes and passes that applicant tracking system. Pretty awesome, but we can level it up more. As always, automate. This is a great thing to run at scale with a custom GPT. You can also customize how you want your resume to be structured or how you want those resume bullets. You don't have to just take my word for it on that Impact 3-tier framework, but hey, I think it works pretty good. But find what you like most, and then get meta. Use AI to test this. When it's done, take your new resume and say, hey, AI, take this job description and take my resume and tell me how good of a fit you think I am. And have it test itself. Use a different model. Have Gemini tested or Claude tested if you use ChatGPT, or, rotate that as much as you want. That'll really help you out. And if you want to get much more in depth with how to do that with multiple AI tools and multiple models, hey, check out the community with Camo. Check out some of our long form AI training. Links are all down below. And if you want today's prompts, a reminder, they are free. The links are in the description as well. So, we did a bunch. If you got any questions about today's training, drop it in the comments. I answered them all. Subscribe so you get tomorrow's video where we are going to start prepping you for interviews so that awesome custom resume you just made and all the interviews it's going to get you, we start getting tailored questions and getting AI to interview you and give you real-time feedback. It's way better than anything I've seen out there for interview prep. See you tomorrow for it. Day 10.